Now, this is a very good question. I think you just collect these questions from internet, and you collect these questions from the question pattern of Deloitte, Accenture, and that is CTS. This type of question they will ask you. What actually happens here? Your question is, can it be possible I can assign the int value, because you know that int occupy how much byte of memory? 4 byte. Can we directly assign the int value to a byte? Normally we tell that no, it is not possible, because byte occupy how much byte of memory? 1 byte. But int occupy how much byte of memory? 4 byte. But how it is possible that the int value is directly assigned to byte? That is the main question. Can it directly assign? Your question is that yes, it is directly assigned by using a modifier. Modifier is called as final. Java give a constant. If I declare the final variable of int type, the final variable of int type directly assigned to what? Byte. But normally it is not possible. I just show you. I justified this thing by the help of a program, that is the find demo.java. It's a normal application. Now you see, when I write here public find class, that is demo. Simple. I write here public find, that is a static void main. We just write here find string args. We just enter into the main. Now that is your question. How it is possible that the int value is directly assigned to byte? I write here final int data is equal to 100. I just write here byte b is equal to data. Then it is possible. If I am not to use the final keyword, then it never possible. I show you. I justified that. Now here, if I print here system.out.println, that is b. It did not generate any error, but it print the value. Value is what? 100. Now you check here. We just compile the code. Fine. Java C. Check here. Compile the code. Here you say sorry. I just did the mistake. Fine. Here you write here. Fine. That is the int is here. Fine. I just compile the code. Now I just execute the code. That is what actually happens. 100. But you check. When I cut the final keyword, here you see, I cut the final keyword. It must generate word. Compile time error. Here you see. It generates the error. Possible loss of precision. That means typecasting must require. So normally it is not possible that the int value is assigned to byte. But only one way it is possible that the int value is assigned to byte. When I declare the int variable through the final modifier, then it is possible to assign it. Got it? That's